Sure.
First question, what is soft skills?
Behave at workplace, how to communicate with client, how to handle their queries, how to handle their objections, and so basically making them a person so that they can engage with everyone out there in a team and working with their senior in a decent way they can behave properly. So that's what I'm taking care.
More presentable, yeah, in interview and all, yeah.
Of attributes that are part of soft skill, but these are the most important thing that we as a person are very well aware of. While what is it, what I mean, what are the things that are part of it and how we can use it. But I think we are not aware of this particular term, but when we were child we are using and we are following it since our childhood, because
So my next question, I can say how you develop, I can say learn the soft skill.
some IGPs, which is internal job promotions, where management gave every employee. I mean, this is something that really catched my attention. So that's where I started falling in love with.
Personal and professional, both that is required.
Right. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Skills matter more than degrees.
That it's life, you need to deal with all ups and downs that you are coming across every day, and you should have that optimistic way.
Yes. So first of all,
Okay.
very good evening. Yeah.
Hey, good evening, Lalita.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty well. Thank you asking
Okay,
for me
that's
also.
great.
Yeah. So we are meeting very first time. Okay. So we introduce
Yes.
ourselves. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So, my name is Vandana Chaturbedi. Okay. And I'm a soft skill trainer. Apart from it, last year I just thought to explore something new. That's where I just come up with the idea opening YouTube channel. So I've started it, and since then I would say I'm really enjoying this journey. And because creating content every day, then you need to prepare yourself also, and I think we learn a lot every day from there. Apart from that, I think yeah, I'm really into reading books, and I really love gardening. That's all about me in a nutshell.
Okay. Okay. Amazing. Yeah. So much taking time out and accepting my request. First of all,
Oh,
yeah,
it's
you are
my
a
pleasure.
trainer, so yeah, something I want to
Thank you
learn. Yeah.
so much, because I was also thinking to make some conversational video this weekend, and yeah, today I'm free completely. So thank you so much for you also. You spare some time from your busy schedule and you're here. So yeah, that's
Okay. Okay.
absolutely fine.
Yes. 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 I want to discuss. Yeah, I can say soft skills. Yeah. So
Sure.
first question, what is soft skills?
Okay. So basically soft skill is something that is part and parcel of our lives. Okay, so it's not something that we when we go out or we are at workplace then only we need soft skill. I think it is something which we use on daily basis at our home, when we are with our friends, we are with our colleagues, or in society or anywhere out there, because it is something that teaches us and gives us a appropriate way to react and to behave, to communicate with people in a decent and proper way, right? So if I talk about me, I am specifically taking care of soft skill parameters that are required at workplace. So basically, I train employees, how to behave at workplace, how to communicate with client, how to handle their queries, how to handle their objections, and So basically making them you know what we can say, a right person, so that they can engage with everyone out there in a team, and working with their senior in a decent way, they can behave properly. So that's what I'm taking care right now. Yeah.
I think more presentable, yeah, in interview and all, yeah.
Exactly. So soft skill is something, uh, when we have some reasoning analytics, we have our appropriate thinking, we can say a optimistic way of thinking and looking at situations. Apart from that, that's self confidence, proper way of communication, when we respect people out there. So these all are the, I mean, there are umpteenth of attributes that are part of soft skill, but these are the most important thing that we as a person are very well aware of.
I think, yeah. Actually, I'm a homemaker, and before I can say my YouTube channel, and I can say into this language, I'm not aware of all the things because of yes, my interest, yes, because of books, and because of, yeah, I also listening conversation, not conversation, I can say
Okay.
podcast. So that's why I know little bit. Otherwise, I am not aware of. Yes,
Yeah, I'm completely, I know.
totally,
Yeah,
totally
that's
new for
fine, because
me.
there are a lot of people, maybe they never heard this word soft skill.
Yes, yes,
And before being a trainer, I never heard of this part. When first time when I heard soft skill, I was thinking for a while, what is it, what I mean, what are the things that are part of it, and how we can use it. But I think we are not aware of this particular term. But when we were child, we are using and we are following it since our childhood, because when we are child kids in our family, we always teach them, you should respect elders, you should talk like them. When someone
yes,
come at our home, we should give them a glass of water, we should greet them properly. And our parents also teach us, like, always think positively. So these are all part of soft skill. But yes, specifically term, if I talk about, we never heard of, but we are following a lot of
yes,
things
yes.
since our childhood.
Okay. So my next question, I can say how you develop, I can say learn the soft skill.
Okay, so basically, when I've started my career, so basically, you are talking, you're asking how I learned soft skills, right? And how I became a trainer after
Yes,
learning
yes,
it.
yes, yes,
Okay, so when I started my career, I think after working for 6 or 8 months, there were some IGPs, which is internal job promotions, where management gave every employee. I mean, these opportunities were for everyone. There were many hirings in many positions that they were looking for. And I just choose being a soft skill trainer. I don't know, at that time I was not aware about soft skill basically. But I just thought, that when became trainer, I'll not I will not do anything. I'll be just training people. I'll roaming here and there. I'll talking to people and gossiping. This was my mindset. But when I got opportunity, I cracked the interview. Those interviews were very basic questions, and when I cracked it, I myself got training first before training others. So that's where I got, very trainers who were having 8 to 10 year of experience in soft skill training. So they trained me. They let me know, like, how to train people and what is it, how to behave, how to handle situations and everything. That's where I started engrossing myself in it, and I was like completely engrossed because I felt so interested. This is something that really catched my attention. So that's where I started falling in love with soft skill trainer, and I
Yes, yes.
started training people. And when I started this journey, every day when I got the opportunity to connect with people, to train to them, to and when they ask question and everything, every day I learned something new. So this is a wonderful journey that I'm enjoying. And because connecting people from different walks of life, you yourself
Yes,
learn a lot every day,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Ah,
And yeah, I think soft skill are both, I can say personal and professional, both that is required.
right. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Because we are a social person, so we need the people also. So in our, I can say communication everywhere, we need the soft skill. Yeah.
Obviously, every day, like when we are talking right now, we
Yes,
are
yes,
using soft skills. So obviously, we are communicating in a right way, appropriately, the
yes,
way we want to convey, we are conveying it. So it's something that I think we implement and we use it every moment that we are living.
yes, yes. Okay, my next
Mhm.
question. Why soft skills matter more than degrees?
Then degrees.
Yes,
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's very clear. If I hold degree of MBA, or like I don't know much about higher degrees, but I've done MBA, so I know about it, and maybe higher degrees than that. But if I don't know how to talk to people, what is the use of getting degrees? What's the use of getting higher educations, right? So that is all waste if I don't know how to communicate, how to respect other, how to talk to them, how to think positively. Because I see a lot of people who are very educated, okay, and who maybe earn a lot of money or a lot of success, but still when they come with a situation that is not fair for them, they started to think negatively, right? Maybe they go into depression, or they started thinking negative, and they started to see the negative side of something. I think that's where we need to learn that it's life. You need to deal with all ups and downs that you are coming across every day, and you should have that optimistic way to deal with the situations. So that's what I think. You might have higher degrees, but if you don't know how to deal with real life situations, how to handle everything, I think then I mean there is no use of getting those degrees and uh, you know studying for years. So it's all
yes,
wastage. You should have that skill to deal with and to cope with real life situations. That's what I think. So
yes.
obviously,
Soft
a lot of time
skills.
we have heard that if you have hard skills, like if you did some kind of course, or you got some kind of skill, so you'll be able to get job from that. But if you don't have soft skill, you will not be able to continue that job, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so
Actually, in
obviously.
yes, my life also. Actually, before starting the YouTube channel, and yeah, so I'm not aware of. Actually, I also did my B.Ed and yeah, I can say masters also, but something is missing in my life. I also feel this, but I'm not aware of. And after yes, books come in my life, and because of books and because of, I can say, this YouTube, I'm learning, yeah, every day. So that's, I can say, yes, I feel this. So I can say soft skill matter more than degrees, yeah. In my life I
Okay,
have
Lalita,
feel, yes.
like you said that you learned a lot from books. So I want to know about your perspective before reading book and after reading a lot of book. What is the change in your perspective of thinking and looking at things? How it changed?
Okay. Actually,
Yeah.
in my start initial stage, I can say very timid, shy person. Yes, and yeah, after that, yeah, books come in my life. So because of books, I can say my mindset broadened. Yeah, that's I feel, and yes, now I'm yes more clarity in my thought. Yeah, that also, and yes, because of I can say I have the habit of journaling thought, journaling. Yes, yes, because of this, and yeah, now I'm early riser person and gratitude. That's also I learned through book. Otherwise, small, I'm not aware of. Yeah, to be honest, yeah. And now I'm totally feel I'm different person, and now I enjoy more my life. Yes. Yes, that's my
Right.
personal experience. Yeah.
Obviously, I think books is something that we always get get a chance, opportunity to enter into the world of an author, right?
Yes.
Because the author has written an entire story.
Yes.
If these are motivational books, I think we get a lot, a lot of learning out of there. We know how author dealt with all situations and how he or she got the success, and what are the things that they did. So we also get a real life learning out of
Yes.
books. So I think these are the, I think what we can say, ocean of knowledge.
Yes.
We get
Yes.
a lot of things from books. So
Yes.
obviously.
And because of books, now I can say my relationship that also improve. Yes. And yes, I can say adaptability. I learned. Otherwise, I'm not aware of because our conditioning is different. Your conditioning is different. My conditioning is different. So our I can say conflict also, but we have the I can say the adaptability. So we can I can say other people also better. Otherwise, we are
That,
not. Yes, that's also I learned.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I would suggest everyone to read books,
Yes, yes,
right? Because it's something that you start to become a different person entirely when you
yes,
start
yes,
reading books.
yes.
Okay.
So, no, so
So, do you have any other question to ask?
so what type of genre you like? Genre you like? You also reading
Okay.
books? Yeah.
Yeah, I do read books and I love reading motivational books.
Okay.
Any other kind of genre I mean usually I don't read because I love reading motivational books specifically because whenever I read even a one or two chapter, I get a lot of motivation out of it.
Yes.
Whenever I feel low, I pick a book and I start reading it, and after a few minutes, maybe 30 or 40 minutes, I started to feel alive again.
Yes.
Like like when we start when we we have some kind of real life situations,
Yes. Yes.
right, difficulties, then sometimes we lose that motivation to deal with them. When we start to read good books, we know how to deal with them and we feel that kind of energy again, that enthusiasm. Okay, I'll be able to deal it, and then it will pass, and I'll get this, and we started to get that kind of spirit again. So I
Yes.
love
Yes.
reading motivational books, and I've read Atomic Habits, and there are a lot of books that currently I'm reading, but obviously this is one of my favorite book that I've read so
Yes. Yes.
far, Atomic Habits. That is
Yes, yes. In this book, I
precisely.
can, yes, I blessed with a daughter, so I want to atmosphere at home. So that's why also I love traveling. So that's
Okay,
why also, yeah, I enjoy.
that's great.
Yes.
All right, Lalita. Anything else you want to discuss, or we can wrap up this meet?
Yes, yes, we can wrap up. Thank you so much.
All
give
right.
me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, Lalita. Thank you for being here. And yeah, it was really insightful and a wonderful conversation with you.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
I enjoy a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, bye.